Tara ko yugi ko as magkuha ko sa akong race kit for the Cebu City Marathon. So for those who don't know yet, Cebu City Marathon is like one of the marathons that runners usually look forward during Sinulog. So yes, during Sinulog, dili lang Sinulog activities or dili lang the Grand Mardi Gras ang usually ginawat sa mga tao. If ever you are a runner or sporty mode or FOMO lasag ka or healthy-han ka pras nako. Uy, and you don't want to be missed out. So for anyway, so mapakibaw na ko, yes, nagdagan-dagan biya kunuhay ko sa una, no? I'll be running a 12 kilometers for Cebu City Marathon. Kaya na lang ko kinauwa ko sa mga tao. Kaya tanaw man sila na ko eh. So yeah, di pa yan comfortable. So anyway, I'll flip the camera na lang so you can see kung sa kadagang tao ang mukuha sa ilahang kit as of the moment. So I don't know kung sa pamagi. So let's try to see and let's try to check kung asa tao na mo adto. So here. So yeah, so there are from actually dili ka mag-isod kuha sa imong kit because there are like about pila ni like 10 kabuok lanes actually, so you can just line anywhere and just bisag sa nga distance muli niya lang yung ka and makuha na din mo kit, wala na kayo problema. So that's it. So here I'm claiming already my race kit. Yeah, and I'm running 12K. Good luck. Huy! Mo.
Napugos 5 years na siya sa nakuyog na.
Actually, so happy to see couples running this Sunday's marathon, di ba?
Sa atis na siya chaperon. And na-enjoy ni mo ng pada.
One thing also that you can do while claiming your kit is actually pwede mo muli niya nga sa ilang 360 nga booth. It is another remembrance also for you if ever ni-join mo sa marathon.
Cagayan de Oro City and you are with?
Okay, so one story nga naangan ni kay Salt and Fit. So for your running essentials and actually naapod sila ay Dji Osmo. Hello. Pila to Dji Osmo?
180.
180. Sige, thank you. 120. Thank you. Of course, that's sila ay drive it here.
Very much.
So yeah, naatad sila ay mga...
Okay. My next bring me item, I need, because this is the Cebu Marathon, I need 10 runners.
Dinala ko mo storya kay feel ako dili ra gyapon madungog akong ichika.
C4 Tuwagan na to kay CCMI.
So yeah, here are the other sponsors also that you can visit.
I need 10. I'm from Cebu.
Macchiatos. Di ba na booth on Don Macchiatos? Oh, because there's also a Don Macchiatos run on March 15, the idea. So if ever you want to run, go lang. So yeah, for those who don't know yet, nasa day Don Macchiatos run on March 15 and they have like 3K, ay 3K, dili na ay 3K, naatan sila ay 6K, na ay 12, 21K. So at least, probably you just visit Don Macchiatos page for more updates. Pero at least just for you to know na raang bayranan, it would be 900, 1,000, 1,2, and 1,700. Diba? And nakaslay pa raffle for that way. Amazing. Nice sa dilahang merch. So diba nice sa dilahang finisher na singlet and ang ilaha sa runner's shirt. So, di ba? Nice. Also,
presenter, AIA. I need the first 5. The first 5 runners whose name starts with the letter A. Starting with the letter A. What's your name, sir? Iron from?
Iloan.
Liloan. What's your daganan, sir?
25.
25K. Thank you very much, Sir Irex. Hi, how about you, miss? What's your name?
Ivy.
Ivy. And you are from? From where the Princess of Palawan?
10 weeks of training talaga. Para makapinish ako ng buhay.
Yeah, and you are from?
Tuburan sa Tubo.
From Tuburan. What is your race category, Miss Ea?
25.
25K, and is this your first time?
Yes.
When did you join Maka this year?
I was actually influenced by my partner who's also running 42 kilometers this month.
Wow, so we have another running couple joining us this Sunday. Thank you very much. And finally, sir, what's your name?
Alvin.
Alvin. From which province you come from?
Balay Bukidnon.
Malay, Bukidnon. What race category are you joining, Sir Alvin?
25.
25K. Let's give them a big round of applause. Daghang salamat. Let's have a photo with our winners. 50 years old, okay. All right. Ano, mabubuking po yung mga edad nyo ngayon. But as they say, age is never a hindrance, di ba? To keep one from running. Hi, sir. What's your name?
Roldan.
Age reveal naman po, Sir Roldan.
60.
Wow! 60! And you are running which category?
25.
25K. Taga saan po tayo?
Island Province of Camiguin.
From Camiguin! Thank you very much. How about you, sir? Your name?
LIDO, Lido Quinto.
Lido, Lido. Sir Lido, age reveal.
58.
58! Anong category po?
42K.
42K. Taga saan po tayo?
Puerto Princesa City.
From Puerto Princesa City. Hi, ma'am. What's your name po?
Christy.
Miss Christy. Again, Miss Christy, age reveal.
50.
50! Golden girl! And what race category again?
12.
12K! Thank you very much, Miss Christy. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Name po natin?
Lawrence.
Sir Lawrence. Age reveal po, Sir Lawrence.
54.
54! Anong category po?
42.
42 km! Amazing! From where po tayo?
Davao City.
Davao City. Kani si Sir, eto si Sir, suki na parang alam ko na lahat ng details niya. Ano na lang po, ano yung mensahe nyo sa mga senior citizens dyan to encourage them to also be fit and active? Yan na lang po.
Walang hinay na tao dadan. Maganda man ang susaw sa kabuan, okay na siya. Dadan 10, 1, 30, dadan na siya. Dadan na ganito kung sinta ng trahe 2016. Dadan na ito.
Iga ni mo, sir. Right? So, yung message nila, bahalag hinay, basta kanunay. Ana lang yun. Atong pakpakan, thank you very much and congratulations. Let's have one photo with our winners.
So yeah, that's it. We just got a race kit for this Sunday. Ako na-inform na 25 km. Di akong daganan, pero laban lang yun. Hindi ko sure kung makadagan ko. Pero yes, laban lang yun. And yeah, see you on Sunday. And for those na wala pa nakakuha sa inyong kit, kuha na mo sa inyong kit. And for those na wala nakaregister, go kadagan. And if ever you are a runner who have seen this, I'm hope to see you soon or in the next year nga Cebu City Marathon. And then again, kaya dili dyan kompleto ang sinulog kung dili ka kadagan sa Cebu City Marathon. Kasi maisulti galin ako, wala na. Lutaw kayo, di ba na nagad ako, sunihaysa ko. So, muna to siya, it is kung claim gali mo sa yung race kit, it is just so quick, just bring your ID at ang QR code ninyo, ipascan lang. There are 10 lanes, so dali radyo kayo ka maka-claim, wala radyo yung problema. And one thing more, oh yeah, of course, keep hydrated, stay hydrated radyo during the run, keep safe. And yeah, walang hinay, basta laban lang yun up to the end. Nagulingaw-lingaw lang tayo, lingaw-lingaw rin ni ako. So again, this is dookiexave, always reminding you to eat in proper proportions, brush your teeth after eating, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!